Welcome to the Light Your Kitchen project from GE Lighting, a Savant company, installing a basic direct wire under cabinet lighting fixture. Enhancing the style and function of your kitchen with a direct wire under cabinet lighting fixture is easier than you think, especially if you follow these simple steps. Before we begin, read through the product instructions completely and proceed with caution. Make sure you follow each step carefully. If you have any concerns with handling wiring, hire a qualified electrician for the installation, or choose from our simple plug-in or battery-powered bar fixture options. Here are the tools you need: the package contents, which include the fixture, 2 installation screws, 3 wire nuts, and 1 strain relief. You'll also need a Phillips screwdriver, a wire stripper, and a power drill. Step 1. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker to the power source you're installing the fixture in. Step 2. Use a screwdriver to carefully remove the front cover of the fixture. Step 3. Now it's time to set the screws into the mounting surface. The spacing between screws depends on the width of your fixture. Here's a handy chart that will help. If needed, pre-drill a pilot hole for each screw. Then drive the screws in, leaving 1/8 inch of space between the screw head and the surface. Step 4. Look at the 8 knockout locations on the fixture and choose the best one for your layout. Tap it out, and make sure you completely remove the metal circle from the fixture. Step 5. Insert the threaded end of the strain relief through the knockout, from the outside going into the fixture, and add the nut. Step 6. Use the wire strippers to remove the insulation. Then, push about 3 inches of supply cable through the strain relief and tighten the screws around it. Step 7. Connect each supply cable to the internal wire that matches its color using the wire nuts. White to white, green or bare copper to green, and black goes to black. Make sure all the wires are securely gripped. Step 8. Align the keyholes in the fixture with the screws. Slide it into place and secure the fixture. And finally, Step 9. Screw the front cover back onto the fixture. Then, turn on the power to make sure everything is working correctly. And that's how you highlight the true beauty of your kitchen. Literally. For other Light Your Kitchen project installations, or a pre-planning guide to your next upgrade, click here.